Welcome to Secrets of Science Solved. In this series, new explanations are offered for scientific mysteries. It is proposed that electromagnetism underlies the whole universe. This approach can be justified by the following facts. 1. James Clerk Maxwell proved that photons are derived from freed electromagnetic fields. Photonic energy underlies all the energy in the universe. Secondly, Albert Einstein showed that matter has an equivalency with energy. Therefore, it is probable that both matter and photons derive from the same basic source. These recordings are based on my book, The All-Electric Universe, which is free to read or download at the website. Although this theory is new, the physics used is solidly based on the work of 4 of mankind's greatest scientists. Number 9. Dark matter. Dark matter makes up 85% of the universe, yet presently held theories offer no explanation as to what it is. This theory proposes that bright matter and dark matter are both made from the 4 fundamental subatomic particles: protons, antiprotons, electrons, and positrons. All neutral particles are composites. The fundamental subatomic particles always have associated electromagnetic fields. It is proposed that, like bright matter, dark matter is 1. Made up from the same fundamental subatomic particles. 2. Is held together by electromagnetic forces, that is, no fundamental forces. 3. Has definite internal structure. It is not just bunches of loose particles that can move around. The fundamental subatomic particles and their nuclear dimensions are shown in this diagram. It is proposed that the structure of bright matter atoms is of a nucleus with a charge extension field pushing its surface electric charge out to its operating size. The charge extension field acts as a net, allowing the atom to both capture and emit photons. The charge extension field also allows interaction with electrons and other atoms. This diagram shows a simplified illustration of the effective operating size of an atom. The ratio of the nuclear size to the operating size is typically 20,000 to 1. The operating diameter of atoms ranges from 50 picometer in hydrogen to 540 picometer in francium. In the right diagram, if the white circles represent the charges on the outside of an atom, the tiny dot in the center of the sphere represents the nucleus. It is proposed that dark matter has a fully neutralized nucleus. There is no charge extension field and thus virtually no interaction with photons or other atoms. Without a charge extension field, any dark matter atom would have a size less than 20 femtometer, compared to 50 picometer diameter for the smallest bright matter atom. This gives a cross-sectional area ratio greater than 6 million to 1. Dark matter is extremely difficult to detect as it only responds to gravity. Thus far, the only dark matter particle is the neutrino. As alpha particles, 2 protons plus 2 neutrons, are so stable, some form of dark alpha particle is probably the best candidate for dark matter. Such a particle could be formed in several ways. 1. 4 neutrons may form a fully bonded dark alpha. 2. 2 protons with 2 antiprotons may form dark matter. 3. Protons, antiprotons with electrons and positrons could form dark matter. Other alternatives for dark matter. Although neutrons are not stable, it is possible that the addition of one or more electron-positron pairs could form dark neutrons that are stable. Dark matter could also be formed from many larger combinations of matter and or antimatter, but these are less probable. The possible combinations for dark matter are discussed more fully in the book, as is the ratio of dark matter to bright matter in the universe. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check out the book at the website.